Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the time questions in Google Forms. So I've added a question to my Google form, and I've made it a time question, and there's actually two different varieties of time questions that you can use in Google Forms. So if you click on More Options, the answer type is what we're interested in here. Are we looking for a time, like the time of day, or are we looking for a duration, as in how long did something last? So let's say we start with a time question. When the student or whoever is looking at the form, they'll see a question like this, and they'll be able to type in how many hours, minutes, and seconds that event lasted or whatever. But notice it only goes hours, minutes, and seconds. It doesn't allow you the opportunity to state how many years it lasted, whatever. Kind of a drawback since, at least in some school contexts, you might be dealing with things that last weeks, months, years, and so on. Right, if I switch to time and I open up the preview again, now I can actually set like a time of day. So I can do like 1:24 p.m. and I can set that. Maybe I'm scheduling an appointment or something like that. But I can actually deal with time in two different ways in Google Forms, either a specific time to pinpoint when something should occur, or a duration indicating how long something took. Either way, you can ask both of those questions in Google Forms. Kind of a neat little option there when that would be appropriate.